festival, what does it mean? And I launched in, without asking what the context was, I launched into a big description of festivals and floats and celebrations and the Copacabana, all this sort of thing. And the student just looked at me. Yeah.
Hi, I'm Hedvig from Gallery Teachers. Welcome to our channel. If you are an English teacher or considering becoming one, make sure that you subscribe to our channel and hit the notification bell for a weekly TEFL teaching tips.
The big question is, why is context important? Yeah, it's important because function can change. It could be the same language used in a completely different context and has a completely different meaning. So who is speaking? Who are they speaking to? Yeah. Where are they? What's the power relationship between them? Yeah. All of these things are so important. The context is key. I talked about various things. I've had problems with students where one came to me and said, festival, what does it mean? And I launched in, without asking what the context was, I launched into a big description of festivals and floats and celebrations and the Copacabana, all this sort of thing. And the student just looked at me. Yeah. Said, no. First of all, you do this, then you do that. I said, not festival, but first of all. So I hadn't actually checked the context, and so I didn't understand what he meant. The other thing is that the words that you use can be very, very weird. For example, you're in the kitchen, the phone rings, your hands are covered in dough and flour. You can't go to answer the phone. And so you say to your friend, my hands are covered in dough and flour. You're not telling them what's happening at this point. You're asking them to answer the phone. Yeah. So can you answer the phone for me? I can't. My hands are covered in dough and flour. Yeah. So the words that you use may not be the exact words, can you please answer the phone for me, or can you get the phone, or whatever. It could be very context specific. My hands are covered in dough and flour. Yeah. We also have some very, very weird functions. Like that'll be the door. The doorbell goes and you say, oh, that'll be the door. Yeah. There's someone at the door and you might be asking someone to answer it if your hands are covered in dough and flour. Well, if you agree with any of the things that I've said, if you'd like to share your own experiences of misunderstandings or problems with function, you'd like to add something, then say whether you agree or disagree with what you've heard. Yeah, you don't have to agree. Yeah. What do you do in the classroom? Yeah. What problems have you experienced as a native or non-native speaker with function? Let us know in the comments below. Yeah. If you like the video, let us know by giving us a thumbs up and by sharing it with your fellow teachers. Yeah. I really hope that you can add to this and share your experiences. So that's it for this video. Thank you very much for watching. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and notification bell for more weekly TEFL teaching tips from Gallery Teachers.